The mid-range smartphone market has become very competitive over the past few months. Huawei and Xiaomi are growing rapidly in this space, but with Samsung's new A series line, the company is aiming to change that. The Samsung Galaxy A30 is well in the middle of the A range and is, in my opinion, the best value offering within this range. Here's my full review of the Samsung Galaxy A30. The Galaxy A30 has a very modern design. At the front, you'll find a Gorilla Glass 3 panel and a glass-like material at the back. At the left, you have the dual SIM and SD card slot. The right houses the volume and power keys. At the top, a mic. And at the bottom, you have a 3.5mm audio port, a USB Type-C port, a mic, and a single speaker unit. Finally, you have the fingerprint sensor at the back of the device. The Samsung Galaxy A30 has a gorgeous display. It is a 6.4-inch 1080p Super AMOLED display that is very vibrant and beautiful. The display has a circular cutout right at the top to house the front camera and the speaker. This device is running Android 9.0 on top of Samsung's One UI out of the box and feels pretty snappy. The A30 is powered by an Exynos 7904 processor and comes in either 64 or 32 gigs of internal storage and 4 or 3 gigs of RAM. Generally, the device performed averagely well. It felt a bit sluggish sometimes, but not so bad to a stage that you can't deal with. Ski Safari runs smoothly on the A30, and though this isn't a gaming device, it can easily handle most games you throw at it. One UI has tons of nice features too. For starters, it has dark mode, which can be easily toggled from the notifications area. You do have face unlock, which isn't secure but cool to use, an option to increase touch sensitivity, screen mode for adjusting screen colors, and Samsung Pass for securely signing in into apps and websites. This device has okay cameras. At the back, you have a dual camera setup, with one being a 16MP f1.7 lens and the other being a 5MP f2.2 lens. At the front, you have a 16MP f2.0 shooter as well. I love the different focal lengths the back camera gives me. Shooting ultra wide is something I've come to love, and having live focus for blurry background shots is great. For the price, don't expect much from the cameras. The selfies aren't that great, and the wide and normal cameras are pretty inconsistent. That doesn't mean you can't take great photos with it. It only requires more adjustments before and after taking a photo. The A30 has a 4000 mAh battery, which can easily last you 2 days. For its size, feel, and weight, I think that's a very nice feature to have. The speaker at the bottom unit isn't that great. Here is a sample of how it sounds like. Conclusively, the Samsung Galaxy A30 is a great device. My only gripes will be on the performance, the build quality, and the subpar speaker. But having Android 9.0 and a Super AMOLED screen sold me on this device. Thanks for watching this episode of Quick View. If you're new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime I release a new video, you're going to be updated instantly. Stay blessed and catch you in the next one.